to a depression made landfall in northern and northeastern Thailand as many houses, roads, and farms have been hit by flash floods and forest runoffs. The storm and continuous heavy rains are causing the water levels in Royet province and Kalasin province to rise significantly. As a result, a water barrier in Royet province was breached, causing floods in many residential and agricultural areas. More than 10,000 rai of rice farms are inundated. All sectors are following the flood situation closely while providing immediate assistance to those affected. Meanwhile, Deputy Prime Minister and Public Health Minister Anutin Chanvirakul on Sunday visited the flood-hit Royet province to follow up on assistance measures in affected communities. He said the administration has short and long-term measures in place so that communities can rest assured that they will be looked after even after the flood. The Deputy Premier brought together with him medical staff and equipment to support the ongoing aid operation. In Khon Kaen province, a road connecting two villages and a bridge have become impassable. Rescuers were, however, able to transport a pregnant woman who was due to give birth to a nearby hospital on time. Also in Khon Kaen province, a section of Mitrapat Road was 1.5 meters underwater. Traffic was crippled as vehicles were unable to pass through the road. The province of Phetchabun has been affected by the influence of tropical storm Podul. Heavy rains and forest runoffs are affecting many communities, houses, and farm areas. Rescue teams are distributing survival kits and basic necessities to flood-hit villagers. Authorities are assessing damage in affected residential and farm areas. Landslides triggered by heavy rains were reported in many areas of the northern province of Nan, causing damage to 14 houses, 4 of which were heavily damaged. A road in Santat subdistrict is impassable, and a group of villagers have to use basic tools to remove the debris. With 12 hours of accumulated rainfall, the water level has exceeded 100 millimeters. Officials from the Rural Irrigation Department visited people living near reservoirs, notifying them of potential floods and asking them to move their belongings to higher ground. The officials prepared water pumps and other equipment to cope with the water situation around the clock. A team of Royal Irrigation officials in Chiang Mai province are closely monitoring the water level of the Mat Dam River after tropical storm Podul triggered forest runoffs. The Royal Irrigation Department is coordinating with different agencies to provide immediate assistance to those affected and use pumps to drain water from low-lying areas to the Mat Dam River once its water level subsides. The department had also installed siphon spillways to improve the water discharge rate. Doi Sutepui National Park in Chiang Mai province announced that Masa and That Mok waterfalls are temporarily closed to visitors for safety reasons. Even though the water level had decreased, officials will continue to monitor the situation closely. Montatan, Hoi Gao, and Mok Pha waterfalls remain open to visitors, but they are prohibited from engaging in activities near